So Bruce, tell me about Marketec.
So Marketec is a training support company. We've been supporting training one sort or another for almost 25 years now. More recently, we have spent some time and focus on physical props and visualization aids. We believe that most of the time we're training people to do something, and the sooner we can have people do something with a model prop or a tabletop simulation system, then that's all to the good for their training.
So you provide a wide range of training tools. What's your latest product?
So our latest product is what we call WhiteMat. We developed this initially for the mobile training market, where instead of people coming to training centres and centres of excellence, there's a growing trend for subject matter experts, coaches and instructors to go to the well site, to the rig site, to the installation, to the factory, so that it's more a coaching experience and perhaps with smaller groups than it would be in a training centre. It's a dry erase, rollable magnetic surface, so you can take your message with you, roll out the WhiteMat, apply some of the mag tags, the magnetic pieces, to convey your message. So not only can you illustrate your message, you can demonstrate the process behind it, and then a key part of the system is that you can then have the delegate, the student, demonstrate back to you, participate in the process. So there's a means of delivering a message, and then, if you like, confirming that the message has been received and understood.
What are the applications for the WhiteMat product? So
the applications are wide and varied. Obviously, our background is in oil and gas, and that's where we see some of the primary applications, or we have easier access to market. But we have worked with sports facilities, environmental spill response people, art galleries, quayside industries, where not exactly oil and gas, but relating to oil and gas. So it's very varied. And in all cases, we seek to design and build a bespoke model that will help them convey their message. And if it's a training product, not only convey the message, but enable them to check, if you will, that their delegate, their student, their employee has received the message, and they can demonstrate back to the instructor or the coach. So in this case, we have printed the details of the harbour and surrounding areas on the WhiteMat to a certain scale. We've then constructed the mag tags to that same scale, and some environmental triangles illustrating changing situations in the harbour, so that people manage to share the same mental model for a scenario exercise, for an incident, or for a training exercise.
And this can be used to mirror any port, any harbour.
Yes, indeed. Any port, harbour, in fact, any facility, any building, industrial area. Yes, very flexible.
So we have another WhiteMat here. What's different about this example?
So in this example, we're looking at the details of a piece of equipment. So the illustration in the half section is of a frac pump. And we've added an extra dimension here, or what we call half a dimension. So this is 2.5D, where we make these mag tags stackable, and we can show as well as the configuration of the pump, we can show the assembly and disassembly process that may be involved.
So this example is really interesting. There's a lot of different components. Can you tell me more about these?
So this is an approach that we use, and in fact demonstrates the ability to show something in 2D, 2.5D, or 3D example here. This is more conventional model making, but these two examples here, slightly different approach, just extend the applicability and the portability of the system.
So for companies that are looking to create their own WhiteMat product, what are the next steps?
Well, most of the products we provide are bespoke. In order to be effective, we need to understand the message that the organisation wants to deliver. And with all bespoke products, it starts with a conversation. Our design brief is very much focused on the message that needs to be conveyed and the learning objective or the marketing objective that needs to be achieved.